Today I'm going to show you how to place artwork on a billboard in Photoshop and make it look like a real professional mock-up. This is a super useful technique if you want to present a logo, ad, poster, or brand design in a realistic environment without building everything from scratch. And the best part is, once you set it up properly, you can keep editing your artwork anytime because of the smart object workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and easy design tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and go to File, then click Open and choose your billboard photo. You want to start with a clean image of a billboard that has enough space for your artwork to sit naturally. Once the image opens, take a moment to look at the angle of the billboard and the lighting in the photo. That will help you blend the artwork more realistically later. Now, it's time to add your design. Go up to File again, then choose Place Embedded. Select the artwork you want to put on the billboard, and Photoshop will bring it into your document as a new layer. This could be a poster, an ad, a brand graphic, or anything you want to display. After it appears, resize it so it roughly fits the billboard area. Don't worry about making it perfect yet. The main goal here is to get it into position before we start matching perspective. Next, right-click the artwork layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This is an important step because it keeps your design flexible. A smart object lets you edit the original artwork later without damaging the layer. So if you need to change the design, text, or colors, you can simply double-click the smart object and update it at any time. That means your mockup stays non-destructive and easy to revise. Now comes the part that makes it look real, matching the perspective. Select the artwork layer and press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac to enter Free Transform. Then right-click inside the transform box and choose Distort. This allows you to pull each corner independently. Drag the corners so your artwork lines up with the billboard edges as accurately as possible. Pay close attention to the angle of the board. If the perspective is even slightly off, the mock-up can look fake very quickly. A realistic billboard should feel like it belongs in the photo, not like it was just pasted on top. Once the perspective looks right, it's time to blend the artwork with the surface. This is where a lot of beginners stop too early, but this step makes a huge difference. Go to the Blend mode, drop down in the Layers panel and try Multiply first. If that doesn't work well with your image, test Overlay as well. Different photos will respond differently, so it's worth experimenting. After that, reduce the opacity a little if needed. In many cases, somewhere between 80 and 95% looks best. The goal is to let the texture and lighting of the billboard show through so the artwork feels printed on the surface instead of floating above it. Next, you want to match the lighting and color. Go to Image, then Adjustments, then Brightness and Contrast if you want a quick fix. You can also use an adjustment layer with a clipping mask for more control, which is usually the better choice if you want to keep things editable. Make your artwork brightness closer to the billboard area in the photo. If the billboard is darker, your design should be a bit darker too. If the scene is washed out or bright, adjust accordingly. Matching the lighting is one of the easiest ways to make the mock-up believable. Now let's add a little blur for realism. Real billboards in photos are rarely razor sharp, especially if the camera is not perfectly focused on them. Go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Usually, a very small amount, like 0.3 to 1 pixel, is enough. This removes that overly crisp digital look and helps the artwork feel like it belongs in the photograph. Be careful not to blur too much though, because that can make the design look soft and unreadable. Just a subtle blur is usually all you need. Here's a quick pro trick that saves a lot of time. Because you converted the design into a smart object earlier, you can double-click the smart object thumbnail whenever you want to edit the original artwork. Make your changes, save the file, and Photoshop will automatically update the billboard mockup. That means if your client wants a different logo, new text, or updated colors, you do not have to rebuild the entire mockup from the beginning. It's fast, flexible, and very professional. And just to point out a couple of common mistakes to avoid, do not ignore perspective because even a small mismatch can make the billboard look fake. Also, do not leave this artwork too bright or too sharp, because that usually breaks the realism. The more carefully you match the scene, the more convincing your final result will be. So that's how you place artwork on a billboard in Photoshop and make it look like a realistic mock-up. You've now got the basic workflow. Open the billboard image, place your artwork, convert it to a smart object, match the perspective, blend it into the surface, adjust the lighting and color, and add a touch of blur for realism. Once you practice this a few times, it becomes a really fast and useful technique for presentations, client previews, and social media graphics. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.